Greetings friends, today I will be showing you how to replace the button battery of the external sensor of your tire pressure monitoring system. First off, you will be needing the mini wrench which came with the package from the manufacturer of the TPMS, and of course the CR1632 3 volts battery. Obviously you can read this is of the Ansman brand, which came from Germany, and it cost me just over $1 in my neighborhood Ace hardware store. To begin, first off we have to pop the lid of the external sensor, just so, and then we unscrew it using the mini wrench of your TPMS package. You have to be careful about it so that you won't damage the threads actually of the TPMS external sensor, and just wind it in a counterclockwise method or manner. Okay, usually it'll take you about 10 minutes tops. It's a pretty simple replacement job to do. By my reckoning, the battery will last for about a year, over a year in my case, because I bought this, if I remember correctly, May of last year, and it began showing signs of weakness just about this month, early this month. Yeah, it's the tail end of August, so it's about it's about a year and 3 months. Yes, okay, so here we go. And then we push out the old battery. Let's be careful about this. It's pretty tight though, because it's the first time I replaced my battery, so there, okay. So here we go. I guess this is the hardest part of the chore. By the way, from what I've read, the reason for it only having a lifespan of over a year is because it transmits 24/7, and well, as you very well know, even if the vehicle is not in use, it still transmits like there's no tomorrow. Okay, so there you have it. We have taken off the old CR1632 button battery, and now I will be opening the packaging of the new one. So okay, it's a bit of a tough nut to open. So here we go. Here's the brand new one, and here's the external sensor. We just slide it in. Again, let's be careful. Okay, let's slide in the battery. Make sure it's pretty snug. Okay, so here we go. Hurts a bit. It's a booger to get in. So there it is, all set. Again, you take the cover, the lid, the housing cover, and just position it like this, like so. Be sure to place it properly, bed it properly, so that you won't damage any threads, because it's only plastic. So let's all be careful about that. Now that it's carefully in place, we can all again use the mini wrench which came with the package. Okay, let's do it. Wait, let's make sure. Oh no, make sure I bed it properly before tightening it. Okay, so here we go. Okay, everything's done. you screw it back in place carefully so as not to damage the sensor. Okay, looks like we're okay. And then we replace the lid. Here is the lid. Make sure it conforms to the star-like pattern, but of course you have to make sure though that this tab perfectly goes here. If it's not, you have to adjust. Like this, it's not perfectly set, if you can see that, so I will have to adjust again just a little bit. Okay, that about does it. Uh-oh, I did it the wrong way, so let me adjust again. No, it's okay. Let's tighten it a bit more. One more revolution, just to be sure. Okay, there you go. And now okay, perfectly placed. No, I'll adjust a bit more. Okay, now I'm pretty sure I have it. Okay, so there we go. Just snap it back in place. And everything is good. Okay friends, so that is how you replace your old dead button battery. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I helped you. Good day to everyone.